Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem where WhatsApp status updates are not showing. If you open WhatsApp and you can't see anyone's status or your friend's updates just aren't appearing, don't worry, there are a few easy fixes. First, restart your phone. This sounds basic, but it can clear temporary glitches that stop WhatsApp from loading new statuses. After restarting, open WhatsApp again and check if statuses are visible. If that didn't fix it, the next step is to update WhatsApp. Using an outdated version can cause features like status to stop working. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update if you see the option. Next, we need to check your privacy settings. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Privacy. Tap Blocked Contacts and make sure you haven't accidentally blocked the person whose status you're trying to view. If their name is there, just tap it and choose Unblock. Then go back to Privacy, tap Status, and make sure you're not hiding your status updates from certain contacts. If you've excluded someone, you also won't be able to see their updates either. So if that happened, just change the setting to My Contacts so you can see everyone's status again. Another thing to check is Read Receipts. If you turn them off recently, you won't be able to see who viewed your status, and in some cases, statuses may not load properly. So go to Settings, Privacy, and turn Read Receipts back on. And finally, if nothing seems to work, ask the person directly if they still have your number saved in their contacts. If they removed your number or restricted you, you won't see their status at all, even if everything is set correctly on your side. And that's it. Try these steps and WhatsApp statuses should start showing again. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment if you're still having issues. I'll help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.